JJ here, Mixed Media Woodworks. Shop update. This is actually a update for the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021, which I plan on entering as a unofficial combatant. I should be building a kit because I feel comfortable building a kit because the hardest part is done, and that's the neck. But I want a bass guitar with a fretless neck, and you can't find kits like that. Well, I can't say you can't. You can. They're really expensive. I've got plenty of maple. I've got templates that I've made. And I've got bodies that, look, this has been an experiment. How much, this could be a social experiment. How much can an advanced woodworker learn about luthiery in 1 year watching massive amounts of YouTube videos? Interesting proposition. We're about to find out. I'm going to make a neck. I've got plenty of maple, and I'm not sure what body. See, I've got a couple of bodies that I've already made, and they were building blocks, teaching tools, still usable in some way. This is just one that I took patterned after my kit base. I've got this one that was just kind of leftover bits and pieces that I wanted to test out another. This allowed me to create a body shape that is my own. This is kind of some of the contours of a P bass, and this is kind of my eyeball version of an offset contour from like a Gibson SG. So it's a little of this, a little of that. Again, a teaching tool, usable. It's a PJ bass, precision and jazz. However, not thinking, I was all, oh my God, I can do this. I've got templates. Let's cut this out. And I got in a hurry and I reversed them. But that's not to say that the tonal characteristics there ain't going to be bad either. So, again, learning tool, possibility to work with. I have plenty of cherry wood to make up another body. I've got some 2-year-old ash. I've got 3 more chunks about this size. And this has been air drying for several years. I'm going to say about 2 years now. And that's a possibility. We can resaw that and edge it and glue it together to make another body. I also have a massive, I'm not going to haul it over here, I'll just show you a picture. Got a large amount of walnuts still. And I've got yet another plank out in my storage building that is a good 10 feet long by, at the widest, I'd say about 14 inches. So there's all sorts of possibilities for making bodies. I don't have, other than this rough ash, I don't have any other hardwoods that I can use. So those are my alternatives, plus a completely acrylic poured version. I do have plenty of resin if I want to go that direction. So lots of ways to go. today we're just going to experiment trying to get a truss rod into this neck blank and progress from there. So that's it for now. Let's see what we can mangle up next. Stay upright, breathing, and creating, because you know, that's what I'm going to do.